Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Astra theme. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, my active theme is 2020, but I have in here Astra. So in order to edit it out, you need to activate it as your theme first, right here. Click on this activate option right here in order to activate it. Once it's been activated right here, head over and click on this customize option in order to edit it out to your heart's content. So as you can see, this is my theme right now. As you observe, some functions of my store or site is actually not really visible since it's actually came from a previous theme that I have, which is 2020. So we can actually edit it out to hearts content. You can click on this global right here and you can change the typography, colors, container, buttons, scroll to top, accessibility, block editor, and miscellaneous things. So it actually has a lot of editors since it has this global. This because the 2020 theme doesn't have this. On the header builder in here as well, you can edit it out by adding the site logo, primary menu, header types, as well as the design that you can add for this case. Now in this, you can also see the breadcrumbs. So the breadcrumb refers to the header position as well. So we can actually put it inside, after, or before title, and also the design for this case. Now in here, you can also see in here the blog pages, sidebars, footer builder, custom foot types, as well as this WooCommerce right here, wherein you can edit out the same things right here on the general as well as the checkout. So what you can do is you can head over and then just click on this right here in order to edit out some few things that you want. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.